we will guide you through how to make black bar transition CapCut PC. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open the Windows Start menu on your computer. Search for CapCut using the Windows search feature. Launch the CapCut desktop application. Wait for the editing workspace to finish loading. Create a new project and import the two video clips you want to transition between. Place both clips next to each other on the main timeline. Drag the second clip onto an overlay track above the first clip, aligning it with the transition point. Select the overlay clip on the timeline. Open the Video tab from the Properties panel. Click Mask and choose the film strip mask. Resize and position the film strip mask so it covers the entire overlay clip. Move the playhead to the beginning of the overlay clip and add the first mask keyframe. Adjust the mask so the black bars are closed, hiding the second clip. Move the playhead forward to the end of the transition. Modify the film strip mask so the black bars open and fully reveal the second clip. CapCut will automatically create another keyframe after the mask is adjusted. Preview the transition to ensure the black bars smoothly open from one clip to the next. Refine the keyframe timing or mask position if needed for a cleaner animation. Save your project to preserve the completed black bar transition. After saving, play the entire sequence from beginning to end to confirm that every movement appears smooth and consistent. Watch the transition several times and pay close attention to the moment when the black bars open across the screen. You can also make small adjustments to the film strip mask position if the bars do not fully cover or reveal the clips as intended. Continue previewing after each change until the transition looks clean and professional.